how to download Duolingo application on your Android device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you a quick way to download Duolingo application on your Android device. So first thing, simply head over to your Play Store, and once you're inside here, you can also now head over to your category section like this. As you can see here, here's the educational section, book travel section, travel and location section. So you can, instead of searching, you can also find the Duolingo application from this categorical section, which has been the new feature in the Play Store for a recent time. Or you can just search in like you used to, like Duolingo like this, and just click on install and wait for some time. Depending upon your internet connection, it will be downloaded and successfully be installed on your device. So let me just install it. So once it successfully get installed, just click on open and click on get started, and you have to successfully sign in, or you can just start speaking or learning languages of your choice. So thanks for watching guys, hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.